Feeling hungry? Let's whip up some deliciousness with stuffed bell peppers. Alright, home cooks, grab your aprons. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. Cut the tops off 4 to 6 bell peppers and remove the seeds and membranes. If they're wobbling, trim the bottoms just a bit to help them stand tall. Heat up a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Toss in a chopped medium onion, and if you're feeling spicy, a chopped jalapeno. Saute until softened, about 5 minutes. Next, add 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, chicken, whatever you fancy, and cook until it's beautifully brown. Drain any excess fat. Now, stir in 5 cloves of chopped garlic and cook for another minute or 2 until it's fragrant. Add a can of fire-roasted tomatoes, a cup of cooked rice, and season with salt and pepper. Let it simmer for 5 minutes to blend those flavors together. Stir in half a cup of shredded cheese into this magical mix. Stuff each bell pepper with the beef and rice mixture, packing it in gently. Stand them upright in a baking dish, cover with foil, and bake for 30 minutes. Finally, remove the foil, sprinkle the remaining cheese on top, and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro, and there you have it, a delicious savory meal that's sure to impress. Bon appétit!